Hey guys, so I will quickly show you what we got for our monthly shopping. And we did not do shopping last month, so we have run out of a lot of stuff. So let me quickly take you through what we got. We got 1 kg blue band. We also got some Santa Lucia spaghetti. You know I love this one. We got Toto Afia porridge flour for the kids. We got 2 of those. We also got some kericho tea. It has ginger and tangawizi. We got cocoa powder. We got garam masala. I love garam masala. I'd rather not have any other spice in my food, but have this garam. It really makes the food taste so good. We got Knorr beef cubes. Zingine zinamwagika huku ndani. Beef cubes. Why did you moika? I need something to put them. We got sugar. We got sugar. 2 kgs. We got ndovu for chapati. You know, I always buy a maize for ugali, and they had an offer of save 15 bob when you buy 2 packs. So we bought 2 packs, like 4 of these. 1 pack and another one here. Here. Yeah, 2 packs. We also got this Ken Poly container for storing flour. We got Anan tissues. We got 2 packets. Yeah, we got 2 of this. We got kitchen tissues, some salt, some Nivea Dio for men, Cool Kick for men, 2 of these. We also got Nivea lotion, Cool Kick also for men. We got Vaseline. Dettol soap, 2 of these. This is what we use for showering. And we got Ariel powder, 2 kgs. We got Rina 5 liters. It was on offer. I think 5 liters was going for 1,000 and something. So we got it. We got some eggs. We got some juices. Afia, we have apple, mango, and another apple. We got some Nyama Bite for the kids. My daughter loves this. That's why we keep buying every time. We also got them Dailyland yogurt, kiwi, and apple, blueberry, vanilla. Yeah, those flavors. Also got some Quick Mart queen cake, but we've already eaten almost all of them. Yeah, just 2 remaining. What else? So yeah guys, that's everything we bought. And of course, as usual, it's buying on a budget and buying what you absolutely need. Yeah, that's the trend.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you, go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking, oh.
So guys, I want to remove everything and clean the fridge up so I can organize it.
I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you, go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? What's your mindset? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Every single second I just feel like I should say that I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Every single moment I just hope you feel the same. It heals me when you say that it's time. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, what's your mindset? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Right now, I will be right here. Right now, I will be right here. Right now, I will be right here. Right now, I'm right here.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
I'm separating the sausages. I want to keep 2 different containers, one in the freezer and one in the fridge, and also some on the plate that I'm going to fry right now for the kids.
The festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky, summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. 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 You will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon.
I usually store my carrots in just an airtight container and they stay fresh for weeks. I don't store them with water, just as they are, and then I close the container tightly and they will stay fresh for weeks.
And my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I bet my life
Before you get shocked, I don't eat all this ice cream. They are for selling. We usually sell them with my friend at the shop, and the deep freezer at the shop was full. So I took some to store in my freezer while I waited for it to get empty as we sold some stuff. But I've been keeping them like very badly. I need to clean up the freezer and just like organize them a little bit. I'll be taking some of them to the shop later on. So this is strawberry. We have chocolate with it has cashew nuts and chocolate. We have this vanilla with cashew nuts. We have this choc delight vanilla with chocolate, and this is my favorite. Yeah, that's what we sell, each at 50 bob.
Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try.